The Ionic Hair Dryer with its 3,500 watts motor delivers an impressive and powerful airflow for rapid drying. This hair dryer utilizes advanced negative ionic technology to ensure your hair remains healthy, soft, and free from frizz. With 2 speed and 3 heat settings, it offers the flexibility to tailor the drying experience to your hair type and seasonal needs. The device is designed with safety in mind, featuring double protection against overheating and made from high-temperature resistant materials. The inclusion of 2 nozzles and 1 diffuser allows for versatile styling, making it suitable for both salon and home use. A 2-year guarantee provides peace of mind, ensuring satisfaction with the product's performance and durability.